Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at how to import Nastran results into Apex. We now have the ability to read Nastran results into the Apex environment, regardless of whether there's a model in there or not. So we're just going to read in a bulk data file. So this wasn't created in the Apex environment, just showing how we can access the model and the result output for post-processing. So we need to place the model in the analysis scene to create a scenario. And once we've got the scenario that we want, we can then import Nastran results directly, specify the unit system that Nastran was running, cycle through to the H5 file and bring the results in. We've got all of the same post-processing capability that we would have if we'd built the model and solved within Apex. So really straightforward. I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.